So I have recorded 12 times. See that display, account books, then cash and bank. See that SBI bank balance is 60,000 and cash balance is 40,000. This is our SBI bank balance. So 60,000. Next, second of every month we are withdrawing. Okay. So again press escape. Okay. Now I would like to get a display. 12 times I have recorded, right? So how do I get the display? So use daybook. This is the first method how we can access daybook, or else go to display more reports and take daybook, and here you enter alt plus F2, 1st of April 1st of April to 31st of March. Press enter key and notice 12 times contra voucher recorded. Okay, and one receipt voucher we have, and again press escape. Okay, and also we can access the daybook from here also. Okay, go to daybook, alt plus F2, 1st of April, enter 31st of March. Say this. Okay, and one more method we can access. So using this go to button, so click the go to button and you type daybook. Okay, so just type the keyword which will filter the data and press enter key from the common reports and press alt plus F2 and enter the period 1st of April to 31st of March. Enter, and you could be able to notice, and again press alt plus F1 for detail and condensed. Okay, and to select all ledger, all voucher types whatever we have used. Okay, so press Ctrl plus space bar to select all at once, alt plus D to delete all at once. Okay, or else again press Ctrl space bar to deselect. Okay, and one more is just you press space bar to select individual line item. Okay, use that arrow button and press space bar whichever you don't want, and press alt D, it is deselecting, sorry, deleting, and alt X, it is to cancel. Okay, one is to cancel, one is to delete. Okay, alt plus X is to cancel and alt plus D it is to delete. Okay, and press escape, press escape. Okay, and if I would like to take a reports 1st of April to 31st of March and do alt E, current, go to configure, use the arrow button, folder path, so change this folder path, C colon, so slash, say that last time which one I have used for the reports, tally reports. Okay, just do copy this and paste it in this area. Press enter key. Then daybook file name, press escape, then click send button. Now the daybook is exported. C colon, tally reports, right click, see the common report types. This is the report. Okay, then close, and also you can take print copy. Okay, so now I made some wrong entry. Then what I can do? So select the voucher number and press enter key where went it's wrong, and press enter key and change however you want. Okay, just enter key is the shortcut key to alter from the daybook whatever the voucher you have recorded in the receipt in the daybook. Press escape and come back. Okay, so the next second one we have withdrawing. Again, voucher, press F2, 2nd of April. So now who is the giver? SBI 2500. Then press Ctrl A. Just I'm skipping that because I don't have information details to be entered. Press cash account because cash comes into the business, and here you write withdraw rupees 2500. Press Ctrl A, means Ctrl V, and paste it. So this for the month of April. Okay, again press F2, 2nd of May. SBI bank account 2500. Press Ctrl A, then Ctrl R, it is to repeat and accept. So May month is over. 2nd of June, SBI 2500, then Ctrl R. Next July, SBI 2500, Ctrl R. Next August, SBI 2500, Ctrl R. Next September, SBI 2500, Ctrl R. October 2500. Next November, 2nd November, SBI, Ctrl R. Next December, SBI 2500, cash, Ctrl R. Next 2nd January, SBI 2500, Ctrl R. Next February, 2nd February, SBI 2500, Ctrl R. Then March, SBI bank account 2500, then accept, Ctrl R. Then come back, use this daybook, Alt plus F2, 1st of April to 31st of March, and see. So 24 times gets recorded plus 1 receipt voucher. So 2500, that amount outwards quantity you have, right? So this is withdrawn rupees. Okay, then if I would like to see that once again, that report, go to display, more reports, accounts, then cash and bank, and see here. So in this stage, bank balance is 30,000. See the 30,000 bank balance. Next, we have one more entry. that entry, it's saying that gateway of tally voucher. Again select contra voucher, press F2, 2nd of April. Now company SBI Bank is giving 1000 rupees to Canara Bank, means is the receiver. Enter. Then here you type the narration. We are transferring rupees 1000 from SBI to SBM, sorry, Canara Bank. Press enter key. So this is the first transaction, posting transaction for the third entry. Again press F2, 2nd May, SBI 1000, press Ctrl A, then 1000, press Ctrl A, then press Ctrl R. So this for the month of May. May is over. Next June, SBI 1000, then Ctrl R, accept. Next July, SBI 1000. Okay, so here I made a mistake. Then I would like to delete. Then what I can do, go to daybook, Alt plus F2, and see that the last entry what I've done for rupees 1000. Okay, see this, April month, May, next June, it's correct, July. So press enter key. But here what I made a mistake in this, it's very simple. I did not put narration. Okay, so press Ctrl R and accept. So now this for the month of July is over. Next I have to start from August. Press F2, 2nd August, SBI 1000, then Ctrl R, enter. August. Next September, SBI 1000, Ctrl R. Next September. Next October, 2nd October, SBI 1000 rupees. Press enter key, Ctrl R. October. Next November, 2nd November, SBI 1000, Ctrl R. Next December, 2nd December, select SBI, so 1000 you enter, Ctrl R. Next 2nd January, SBI rupees 1000, next January. Next February, 2nd February, SBI rupees 1000, Ctrl R. Next final one, March, SBI rupees 1000, Ctrl R, save it. When you open up daybook, how many entries supposed to be available? 36 entries. Okay, so enter. See that voucher number 36 entries we have recorded. The first one is receipt voucher, that is excluded from the list. Okay, only the contra voucher type itself has 36 entries. Okay, and press escape. Then how do you export this, which is having with the same report? As I said, alt plus E, current session. So see to that, configure, set the path, C colon, or else go to up, select tally, specify the path, up button, select tally reports, press enter key, daybook, let it be, then send it. It's overwriting, so it doesn't matter of overwriting. So come back, state that tally reports, right click on daybook, and open with Google Chrome. See this. Okay, the next, now I would like to check the report. What is the report? Your SBI bank balance must be 18,000 and Canara bank balance must have 12,000. So just verify once. Display statement of account books, cash and bank. See this. So SBI bank balance is having that 18,000 rupees. Good. Next 12,000 rupees. Next your cash in hand. Cash balance is 70,000. Okay. Then now I would like to check bank reconciliation statement. Means your passbook value and passbook is nothing but your bank. Okay. Your bank entry and your cash entry must have equal balance. Okay, when you do bank reconciliation statement. So how can I do that? How can I check? It's very simple. You can go to ledger and select SBI bank. Okay, and press alt plus, sorry, alt R and enter bank date. So alt R is reconciliation shortcut key. Okay, this one method. And another method is use cash and bank, select SBI bank. Okay, and select for the month of March, press enter key, then press alt R and enter your bank dates, and make ensure here your bank balance as per company book, it's saying that 18,000. And one more statement here, amount not reflected in bank, around 60,000 rupees you have deposited but it's not reflected. Then what you have to do? It's very simple, enter the bank date. Okay, so now as of now what I do is I'll take the same date and notice the changes. See, 5 5,000 rupees it's affected. Next 2nd April, put the same date. Okay, then make ensure amount is that reflected in the bank or not, and also balance as per the bank, it's keep on updating. Okay, and again 1st May, 2nd May, 2nd May, next 1st June, 2nd June, 2nd June, next 1st July, 2nd July, 2nd July, 1st August, 2nd August, 2nd August. 1st November, 2nd November, 2nd November, October, 2nd October, 2nd October, 1st November, 2nd November, 2nd November, next 1st December, 2nd December, 2nd December, next 1st January, 2nd January, 2nd January, 1st February, 2nd February, 2nd February, next 1st March, 2nd March, 2nd March. Then say that balance as per company book 18,000 and balance as per bank 18,000. So both are reflected the same value. So bank entry showing that 18,000, here also we have 18,000. So this is your contra voucher reports. And press enter key and accept. Okay. Now if I would like to take ledger balance reports, how can I take ledger balance reports? Display more, account books, ledger, select cash or bank, alt plus F2, 31st of March, alt plus F1, okay, and alt plus E. This is our cash ledger balance. So configure, go to folder path, up, select up button, select your tally reports folder, press enter key and put the file name cash ledger. Then press escape. Do not press escape more than one time or two time. That has to stay back with the export menu and select send. Then see now your tally reports cash ledger. So this is complete cash ledger and voucher number, voucher type. So everything gets printed. Okay. Then you can take one more, that SBI also, 1st of April to 31st of March. Then alt E, current, and again do configure, go to folder path, select up option, again press up option, then choose tally reports, press enter key, then enter the file name. What is this? SBI. Press enter key, press escape, then use send, double click for tally reports and say this SBI, right click, see that reports. So Raj Contra voucher, SBI bank account, this is the report. So 60,000, 60,000 closing balance. So your SBI bank. Then closing balance, it's saying that 18,000. Okay, overall transacted value is 60,000. Okay, and again if you would like to take a reports, what you have to do is daybook. So you can access by three method. One is go to, use go to button, then type as daybook. Then second is from the gateway of Tally, then use daybook. Then third method, gateway of Tally, display, then daybook. Then from here onwards you press Alt plus F2 to set date period, change period. So from 1st of April to 31st of March, press enter key. Then Alt plus F1, detail and condensed. Then Control plus spacebar to select all. Then only spacebar to select individual. Next we have Alt plus D to delete. Next Alt plus X to cancel. Next press enter key to alter. These are the daybook transactions and shortcut keys. And one more I've forgotten. Use Alt plus E to export. Then Control plus E, current. Okay. And then how to check cash and bank balance. So what you do, gateway of Tally, display, then see this account books. Okay, account books, then press enter key, cash and bank. And again use Alt plus F1 to get detail and condensed. Okay, then ledger balance. How do you check ledger balance? So same thing, start doing this, then account books, then ledger. Okay, next we have BRS. So use the same method. Okay, then select SBI bank account and press Alt R to reconcile, then enter bank date. Then notice your cash balance and bank balance, it is to be matched or not. So use the chat box. Did you understand? Your type as yes. If you're not understood, you ask me whatever doubts you have. And download this contra voucher notes and practice once again from your end. So type as one who have downloaded and who have received that contra voucher notes. Just you type as one. Rakshit, Vishwas, okay. Parikshit, Rahil Khan. So Parikshit or Vishwas, you send anyone from your end that notes. Rahil Khan is, did not receive, it seems. So use your WhatsApp and
Yes, sir. I'll send it.
send it. You understood well, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next class will be on Monday. So practice. Still you have so much of time. Means Sundays you have full time. Okay. So it won't take maximum. Hardly it takes around 30 minutes. Practice and uh, report me. So next class, whatever you have exported, daybook, ledger, again then bank reconciliation. Okay. So use that screenshot or exported PDF file. So make it ready. I'll check your answer file by next class. The contra voucher reports. Is it okay? To make it ready for the next class, contra voucher reports. I'll be verifying your answer and mine answer, and you create by your name itself. Okay. So use the company name. In place of Raj, you put your name and start creating. Okay. So see you in the next class. Bye. So
Yeah, bye.
is there any doubts before wind up the class? Okay, so see you in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye.
Yeah, okay, sir. Bye.